Hey guys, and welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I will show you what the BioBlade Microcurrent Massager is, what it offers, and how to use it. So let's get started. According to the official websites, the BioBlade Microcurrent Massager, Massager is a handheld muscle recovery tool designed to help relieve muscle tightness, soreness, and tension. The company says it combines microcurrent technology, vibration therapy, heat therapy, and muscle scraping into one portable device to support recovery after workout or everyday physical activity. According to the website, one of the device main features is the neuromuscular electrical stimulation, or basically NMS microcurrent technology, which the company says it's designed to help stimulate muscles and promote relaxation. The device will include some micro-vibration technology, adjustable heat therapy, and three-blade scrapping design that, according to the manufacturer, is intended to target different muscles. You might find many other information example on how to use it, like just apply and then hold it on the muscle that you want to use it on. If you scrolled, you will find, as you can see, somewhere in the bottom, you'll find frequently asked questions. If you have one of these questions, I will open the answer out here, and you can pause the video if you have one of those questions to read the answer out. You'll find even some rating of other people. As you can see, how much time it may take for the shipping, and you will get free shipping over $200, 60 days guarantee, ships from the US, and a 12-month warranty if you are buying it. If you intend to ask some questions before buying it, you have a contact us option where you can get in touch and ask whatever question you want. And if you want to buy it, just click on add to cart. An example, once you select the exact product that you want, then click on checkout, and you'll have to provide your payment details and your shipping details in order to get it. You can get also lifetime warranty with the products if you want to, but that will be up to you. So if you found this helpful, hit that like and subscribe button and watch our next video.